to our next destination. Welcome to the Amazon, the biggest rainforest in the world. So big, it is called the lungs of the earth. It gives us food, medicine, shelter, oxygen, and maybe sometimes hope. But trees are cut down or burned for palm oil, soy, wood, land, and a lot more. Not just them. But the problem is we have destroyed 18%. That is a large area. That means that if we still work as now and cutting down and burning the trees, that means that trees and animals just disappear, they extinct. Indigenous people in danger because their culture is lost, and CO2 is rising like crazy, that it makes the world just hotter.